Welcome to Wi-Fi Money, where our mission is to help you increase and diversify your income online. Make sure you hit that like button if you gain any value, subscribe for more money-making tips, and tap that notification bell so you're first to each and every new money-making opportunity. Please feel free to check out our website, letsmakewifimoney.com, to get updates on money-making opportunities before they go live on our channel. We also have some awesome Wi-Fi Money merchandise if you need some new threads. Also linked below are all of our favorite software and programs used to make this channel possible, including SEO ranking tools, YouTube course, editing software, and best of all, the program we actually use to make these videos possible. Without a further ado, let's get into it. Starting an online business can really seem overwhelming and daunting. You may realize your passion and skill, but don't necessarily know how to harness it. Our goal today is to give you 3 yet simple, effective business models to pick from. Each of these require little to zero money starting out. The best part is, all of these business models can actually work together in tandem. Business model number 1 can be expanded into business model number 2. Business model number 2 can be expanded into number 3, and so forth. After watching today's video, we hope you are informed and inspired to begin building your empire. First on our list is a digital media agency. Let's say you already have a skill, maybe video editing, photo editing, marketing, branding, photography, script writing, voiceovers, anything. If so, Upwork could be for you. Now, I've personally made thousands of dollars working part-time on my own time through Upwork. Upwork is a website meant to connect professionals. Companies or individuals need help with projects. Maybe they only need one quick job done or looking for a part-time position, etc. Businesses will post a job listing for you to find and apply for. You simply send them a proposal stating how much you will do the job for and why they should pick you over another freelancer. If they accept, you simply do what the job requires and get paid. Now, here are some tips to get you started. Make sure your profile is 100% complete and looks professional. Do not have your sweet shades on in your profile picture. Add as many past projects as possible to your portfolio and have your best work be the first thing a potential client sees once browsing your page. Now, overall, it's pretty straightforward. With that being said, don't be discouraged if you don't get any jobs right away. It could take a couple weeks before someone hires you for a freelance project, as there is a lot of competition, so keep at it. Once you do your first job or two and get some positive reviews on your profile, more and more work will come your way. I highly recommend doing your first couple jobs for free. This way you can get quick reviews and get the ball rolling much faster. And the best part is that it is completely free to sign up and really requires no startup fund. At my peak, I actually had more work than I could handle. In fact, I was charging clients $50 to $80 per hour and paying other freelancers anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour to do the work for me simply because I had a better profile. This side hustle can quickly expand into a full-fledged business if you choose so. Highly recommend it if you already have a useful skill. Now, moving on to number 2 is a digital media company. Now, digital media company is a fancy title for a content creator on steroids. Essentially, you will be creating your own online content focusing on a particular niche, then publishing your expertise on as many monetizable social media platforms as possible. Now, here's how easy it can actually be. First things first, figure out your niche. Do you happen to know a lot about gardening, cars, online business, or fashion? Well, great. Share your wisdom with the world. You'll be shocked at how many people are wanting to learn more about the topic you know a lot about, as well as willing to fork over the big bucks to do so. Begin with a simple YouTube channel. Talk about or teach your audience whatever topic you have chosen for your new media company. Here's why I call it a media company instead of a YouTuber. You can quickly expand into other mediums. For example, you can export only the audio file from your YouTube video and publish that on Anchor.com. Anchor is a podcasting website that connects you with major platforms. Essentially, Anchor is your hosting platform. Next, once you upload your audio file to Anchor, they will immediately publish that to every major podcast platform, including Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and Spotify. You have now gone from only making YouTube videos to also recycling your valuable information to be heard on fans of other platforms and media sites. However, we can take it even a step further. take the script from your YouTube video and modify the phrasing to be easily read in an article format. You can start a blog for only $2.75 a month with Bluehost. Now, Bluehost, like Anchor, is your hosting platform. Check out Bluehost in the link below. Now, you've got your content on YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, as well as your own blog within Google. As you can see, you can quickly create a lot of content for every media format without too much additional effort past the initial YouTube video. These platforms work together and attack from all angles, bringing you the most diversified income possible for your business. Last but not least is creating an academy. Chances are you're good at something. You can take advantage of your expertise and teach people online. You would be shocked at how much people are willing to pay to advance their knowledge in their hobby/career. So you might as well take advantage of your expertise, right? You can actually create online courses for free using Thinkific, although we recommend that you quickly upgrade your plan so you can add affiliates, create your own custom domain, offer coupon codes, and many other basic features. But instead of creating YouTube videos, you can go straight to creating paid educational content. This will only take up so much of your initial time. Therefore, you can then switch your focus to marketing via Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and Google. Once you build a reputation in a given niche, you can start integrating consulting into your routine. Once again, you will be pleasantly surprised how much people are willing to pay for their favorite teacher's expertise on their unique and very specific circumstances. Now, these are our top 3 favorite business models that we really think you should take advantage of in 2022. If you would like to learn more about a particular business, be sure to stick around as we deep dive into each and every one of these topics here at Wi-Fi Money each and every week. Thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, and engaging in the comments below, and good luck.